overwhelming and so strong, and it's just them. Why do we need the ICC to prosecute somebody, much less the former president? One should think that way. Why do we need the ICC? The ICC is there as, they call it the court of last resort for a reason. Maybe because the judiciary is no longer working, that's why you need something, a foreign entity to judge, you know? Of course, you can ask all of them. They're all Filipinos. How did he change the lives of every single Filipino? We are more confident. Poverty is actually a result of a lot of elements. You cannot just say, oh, you are a president, you can already already eradicate poverty. That's not the case. Because it's very complex. Because if that's how easy to eradicate poverty, why is a lot of countries, developing countries, still poor? You can still ask more questions because my brain is a bit busy at the moment. Yeah, I'm very passionate about this because this is no longer about our former president. It is also about us Filipinos, our Filipino identity. What is the idea of foreigners about Filipinos? That we cannot handle our internal affairs, that we need an external entity to judge us and to resolve our issues? Why can't we just be an independent sovereign state as we are, handle our internal affairs or problems within the country? The Netherlands will never ask the Philippines, hey, can you judge the Dusla problem here? Can you see the logic there? Well, sort of, because they did not say anything. They should say something about it because, you know, the ICC is located here in the Netherlands. Why didn't they not say anything? The Germany did not say anything. Belgium did not say anything. They do, you know, under the golden rule, do not do unto others what you do not want to do unto you. Yes or not? You see? You see now the logic behind it? It's very common for us Filipinos to be angry about towards the international community because they condone the action of ICC. They should first, I am not a lawyer, but what I am is an ordinary Filipino. You do not need to become a lawyer to understand the logic of why do we need an ICC to judge us. Do you agree or not? So much, sir. I appreciate it. If you want food, we have food. So, I know, because you don't eat pork, no? Only something else. Kung inamoy ka ng pagkaon para sa, let's say, acceptable siya sa Muslim, kan dili pork or what, chicken, ha? Kasi yung friend kasi natin doon ba, na gusto niya, nagtanong siya bakit or something, si Kuya, mga kababayan, today po ang selebrasyon ng King's Day ng mga Dutch, in general, pero today din po ang selebrasyon ng mga Pilipino, tinatawag natin na collection of stories. It is a perfect opportunity for us to showcase to the international community what we are as Filipinos and what we are fighting for in relation to the illegal detention of our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Mga kababayan, pumunta po kayo dito sa Land Van Wagen at i-celebrate po natin at ipakita ang ating unwavering support and love, our dedication for us fighting our Filipino identity in the international community and for us to echo a message of solidarity. Filipino solidarity na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino, mabuhay po tayo, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir. Additional po, anong program yung araw na po?
Meron po tayong programs, set of performances showcasing different talents. We also invited very important personalities in relation po sa ating event tonight. And in general, this is us Filipinos na nagkakaisa, nagpicnic dito sa Netherlands. Kaya nagbigay ito ng sort of curiosity for them para malaman nila what we are doing here.
Sir, bakit naka-orange yung mga tao?
Naka-orange talaga sila kasi ang history niyan, ang king nilang tinatawag na Van Oranje. Orange is the color of the Netherlands.
Yan.
It's the celebration of the birthday of their king.
Kaya pala sila naka-orange.
Oo, sa Venezuela, but no, that's the color of the Netherlands. Normally, it's celebrated on the 27th, but 27th of this year, it falls on a Sunday, kaya Saturday nila celebrate because this is day drinking for the entire Dutch community and they will have tomorrow to relax.
Ito ba yung sinabi nila sir na bawal maglalit ngayong araw na to? Yung King's Day?
Oo, bawal magalit. Happy lang. Love lang tayo. Kahit ganito yung boses ko, normal pa po
Ayan,
ito.
alam nyo na.
Hindi pa ito galit. Normal pa po ito. Ganito talaga pag-
Malakas lang ang boses ni Sir Alvin.
Mabuhay po kayong lahat. hanggang
Pero
sa
hindi
gusto
siya galit.
ninyo.
Nakakatuwa naman.
Guys, natin si Sir Alvin and Christian. Always travel with purpose and speak with.
Sir Malcolm, happy birthday.
How are you?
Happy birthday.
I had to be.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
It's
you.
incredible to be here, and thank you so much, Alvin and Sir Aldo, for what you've done. It's this gathering of Filipinos that I find so emotional. You know, people coming from across the world to be here, and I really appreciate what you've done. And I'm wearing my barong. You said
Yeah,
Filipino
exactly.
dress, right? Although it's kind of not in it, I'm still going to wear it. Thank you
But it's
so
not so
much.
warm, no?
No, it's not too bad, but yeah, I'm here.
But thank you for
And
celebrating.
also, I have my dessert.
When I saw them, I was like, I wanted more.
I got this in 2017 when I had my wristband.
Yeah, I also have my wristband. Thank you ha for being
Thank you
here ha.
so much. Thank you
Honestly.
so much.
Thank you sir. Mabuhay po kayo sir hanggang gusto niyo.
Thank you so much to the followers of Alvin. You're doing an amazing job. I
Thank you,
just
sir.
can't believe how much effort and appreciation you put into this. Maraming salamat, sir. Thank you, sir.
No. Oh, ikaw na, paasa ko. Kasi tarong ako story ha.
Ano mo, yung yun ako kudari. Uy, shout out din sa taga Davao del Sur. Nga naman mo diha, pagtarong mo day. Dili magkuan sa mga ayuda. Nayuta na, nawata ang ayuda pero kuan. Pagtarong mo butar kay ang mga next generation luoy ka ayo na taon. Mga unsa ta, dara ang sa uy, shout out la hi kay Junel. Shout out dira from ano London Hagri. Di kayo susama ba yung
Ito kain ba tayo?
Uy, ano?
Makingit tayo at tanong natin, Te,
Ate Marinig!
Te Marinig,
Di ba magkaibigan tayo?
friend tayo, di ba? Nandun tayo, di ba?
Ang sumara na.
Kung talaga tumamoy sa akin, hindi ko bibigyan, di ba mo?
Ganda.
Sarap naman. May dinuguan sila.
Ganda panoorin ng mga kababayan natin. Nagmula pa yan sa iba't ibang bahagi na to. Ito from Finland pa to sila oh. Okay lang kayo guys? Totoo? Thank you po ha. For coming ha. Kababayan! Laban! Tignan nyo guys. Ipaglaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
Foreigner
Ito
yan,
ang pag-asa,
ah.
ipaglalaban ko ang pag-ibig mo. Ah! Thank you sir.
Nakakatuwa naman ang kanilang pagiging solid.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay po tayo mga Pilipino! Thank you po. Okay na to, ma'am? Ano ba yan? Ano na yan? Ma'am, nasira tuloy yung cellphone mo. Tumingin kayo sa live, ma'am, para maano, makita ko.
sa Pilipinas! Daming ginilhan, ma!
Thank you so much for everyone!
Shout out mga Getty!
Shout out po sa Dumaguete sa umaabot na eleksyon. Atong iboto ang dapat yun na mag-servisyo sa katauhan. Laban lang tagay!
Shout out Lorenzo!
Di ba kamandaran is katulad ang Congressman si Del Cordera? Shout out kay Congressman Del Cordera for not signing for the impeachment of our Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Ikaw ang mabuhay sa nag-iisang nagrepresenta sa constituent niya. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino! Lagi-lagi oh, si Angel Amante. Gusto ka wala? Ha? Rose Mikmeko, kamusta na kaniha? Shout out! Bogni City. Na,
Masyado sa kapatagan Lanao del Norte.
Nakakatawa naman.
Lanao del Norte! Gusto mo na, PDP o di? Uy, baan!
Pero ang mga tao dito,
PDP. Lanao! Lanao, PDP! Let's vote for PPP party list, Duterte Youth. Duterte Youth, I mean. Gusto pa man, Gabay 139. Basta dagag list, tanawan lang sa Tio Moreno. Hi, ma'am.
Bigyan lang shout out sa
Hello.
taga-Patinay Prosperity Tagusan Sir Ato yung
Shout out sa Patinay Prosperity. Pero ako yung what pwede na. Meron ka magkuhan. Yes na lang ka, Patinay. Hello. Ang taon-taon. Super nice. Sana pala talaga nag-outfit ako ng buo.
Nakakatuwa naman ang mga outfitan nila.
Kaya ako sa balay, actually, tera. Kaya iuman sila ng tugnaw daw. Nya, klaro pa niya kung tera. Out po sa inyo. Mindanao, basaan na sa Mindanao. Diyan sa. Thank you po. Sobrang ganda ng ano yung outfit ko po, ma'am.
Birthday ng hari ng Netherlands, pero at the same time, naninindigan ng mga Pilipino para kay PRI.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Orange tayo.
Daming pagkain. Nakakatuwa naman. Picnic-picnic lang sila.
Huwag na. Huwag kayo natakot, uy. Sige lang, Kati, walang problema. Sige lang, walang problema. Pila ba ito ang kilo? Dagan, balik tulo na. Half kilo na po. Kailan po ba tamas ako?